Everyone, today we're going to study chapter 2 body coordination essay question. Okay, number 1, look at the diagram. Okay, study diagram 1. So this is the picture about a girl with blindfolded. She's holding a box number 1 and number 2. Okay, and she say box 1 heavier than box 2. So here's the diagram number 1. Okay, let's go to the essay question. Okay, A. By using three loads which are different in a mass, suggest a hypothesis for the experiment shown in the above diagram. 1 mark. So this now you have look at about the diagram. Number 1, a girl with blindfolded. She's holding a box 1 and box 2. Okay, and she say box 1 is heavier than box 2. Okay, in the diagram, okay, they're asking by using three loads which are different in mass, such as a hypothesis for the experiment shown in the above diagram. 1 mark. Okay, the word suggest refer to your opinion. Refer to your opinion. They're asking your opinion, a hypothesis, suggest of opinion. Okay, but we can say opinion, or they asking a given hypothesis also. Okay, suggest means give or opinion. They asking your opinion. Okay, how to answer this question? The way to answer this question is like this. The way is like this. The way to answer is this. Okay, kinesthesia allows us to estimate the relative masses of objects without looking at the objects. So these are the way to answer. Okay, if this question came to your exam, you need to answer like this. You need to remember, if they're asking to suggest a hypothesis, but like that by just now you have seen the diagram, so you need to answer the word. You need to remember the word kinesthesia. If you remember the word kinesthesia you can easily answer. Okay, so these are the way to answer. Way to answer like for this question. Okay, let's go to the next question. Shall we? Okay, B. Describe the experiment to test your hypothesis based on the following criteria. Number 1, aim of the experiment. 1 mark. So they ask you to describe the experiment to test your hypothesis based on the following criteria. They ask you aim of this experiment. So what are the aim of the experiment for the experiment? Okay, the way to answer for this question is, you can say to study, or you can say to investigate. Okay, to study or to investigate the role of kinesthesia in estimating the mass of an object. So these are the way to answer. Okay, if they ask you aim of the experiment, you need to answer. The way is to study or to investigate the role of kinesthesia in estimating the mass of an object. So these are the way to answer. Okay, for the essay question. So the way the answer is like this. Okay, so let's go to the next part. Okay, number 2, identification of variable, 2 marks. Okay, how do you want to know identification of variables? Okay, you need to remember there are 2 main variables, are MV and RV. So you need to remember MV means manipulated variable, manipulated variable, and RV is responding variable. So you need to remember whenever they ask you identification of variables, you need to remember manipulated variable, responding variable for the 2 marks. If they're asking 3 marks, you need to remember 3 things. They are fixed variable or constant variable Okay, the thing is need to remember is manipulated variable and responding variable. Okay, how do you want to answer for this for the variables? Okay, the way to answer is like this. First, you need to write A in here. Write manipulated variable here. Okay. So what are the manipulated here? So the manipulable variable is the mass of the load of the load. Okay, manipulated variable is the mass of the load. Okay, how they get the manipulated variable? Okay, this now you have to look at the diagram. She's blindfolded and also she's holding a box. What are the in this, like what they show about in the diagram? So in you see about she's holding a box, that's referred to the mass, and the load, she's holding a box 1 and 2, that's referred to the load also. So you need to understand. Okay, so for the manipulator, how they find the manipulator is the way from the diagram. They found from the diagram. The diagram shows about the manipulated variable. So you need to understand. Okay, let's go to the next one. Responding variable. Responding variable. Okay, responding variable. Okay, responding variable is the ability of the student, to estimate the mass of the load. Okay, mass of the load. These are the responding variable. So the responding variable is the ability of the student to estimate the mass of the load. So these are the responding variable. Okay, the way to answer is like this. Okay, this time I have changed how to do the responding. Sometimes responding variable is from your question, sometimes from your aim also. Sometimes on the question this time what you have done before. So you can, maybe it's from the response from before you have done the question. So these are the way. So responding variable is the ability of the student to estimate the mass of the load. So look at the aim of the experiment. So the word to estimate mass of load is from the aim of the experiment. So when I do the responding variable, okay, you need to write the ability of the student, take from the aim. Okay, change the estimating to estimate the mass of the cut the object so you need to change mass of the load, take from the here manipulated variable. So these are the way to answer the responding variable. Sometimes the responding variable can be found at the aim of the experiment, sometimes we can find on the diagram also. Okay, so let's go to the next question. This is about fixed or constant variable of the experiment. Okay, some student they don't know sometimes about the responding variable, so maybe you can answer the fixed or constant variable, so maybe you get 2 marks from your exam. Okay, the way to answer fixed variable is like this. Okay, the student who carries out the task. So these are the fixed variable, fixed or constant variable. The student who carry out the task. These are the fixed variable from the experiment. Okay, when I write the fixed constant, you can use this word, who carries out the task. Definitely got the mark, but depends on your question. Doesn't mean to use all the fixed and constant variable, so you need to depend what are the question they ask about. Okay, I guess that's all from me. I hope you will understand about the essay question about 1A, 1A and 1B, 1 and 2. So it will helpful for you. So thank you. Don't forget to watch the another video of Science Chapter 2, Form 4 essay question. Don't forget to watch the next video. So thank you.